SEO or search engine optimization is an important part of the website. Do you know what SEO is? I'll explain you. SEO is the process of optimizing your website for the major search engines like Google and Bing. When done correctly, SEO can help rank your website on the search engine results page for relevant keywords, bringing in more traffic to your website. When you have a website, you want people to find it easily, and SEO plays a big role in that. Search engines crawl your website and look for certain elements to help determine what your website is all about. This includes looking at your page content, the structure of your site, and other factors like the speed of your website and overall its usability. Having good SEO on your website can also help you increase your brand's visibility online. As the traffic to your website increases, so does the number of people who will become familiar with your brand and products. This in turn can help to build trust in your brand and boost your sales. SEO isn't something you do once and forget about it either. You need to continuously monitor the performance of your website and adjust your SEO efforts accordingly. This means doing keyword research, optimizing content, creating new content that users will find useful, and keeping track of your website analytics. In short, ignoring SEO is not a good idea. Doing so could result in a lower ranking, less traffic, and fewer sales. But with the right strategy in place, SEO can be an incredibly powerful tool that can help you reach more customers and grow your business. So if you're serious about growing your online presence, invest in SEO. Find a good content writer, a good SEO expert that could help you rank the best. I hope you know in short what an SEO is and what good it could do to your website.